Welcome to the channel and staying tuned. Today we're going to talk about the Harley horn relocation on a VTX 1300. Basically, Hondas put their horns up front. They're ugly. We all like to look in the VTX. That's what it'll look like. And I'm going to show you how to accomplish this without going to one guy's website buying his bracket for $40 some that he spent $5 to buy and welded a piece of metal to. So I got the horn off Facebook Marketplace for $10. I bought some aluminum flat stock so I could polish it out. This is what I bought. Focus. Focus. Let's see if we can get her to focus. That's how wide I went with. I went 3 3/4 out. 3 3/4 from the bend back. I drilled 2 holes, used somewhat flush mount stainless bolts with nuts. I used a rubber washer with a stainless bolt on the back so it would be wouldn't kill it to vibrate. And I only went down on the bend. Oh, let me get it in here. Only went down on the bend to here. And the reason that is because on the back side of the Harley horn, it does, yeah, you can see. So, and that's plenty. I mean, but this is what it looked like when you got her done. My tank ain't on there, obviously. My petcock covers all that up, but you get the gist. And that's how you do a Harley horn relocated on the side like a Harley on a Honda VTX. You use that choke bracket. You can unbolt it with 2 screws back there. Mock it up first so you know you got it. But then you undo those 2, drill your holes, whatever method you see fit to connect it. And you don't have to spend money on somebody else's overly priced simple deal. I mean, I think I got a total of $30 in all of it. The horn, the bracket, everything. Hit that follow button. Let me know if this video was helpful in the comments. Thank you.